Who's that up front there? That's Gilly in the front. And that's Snowflake, you can see, going for his woody toy. Yes. And there's Snowball in the back. Oh, and that was Fina just getting off the perch. Oh, there's Gilly. He just went over. That's his favorite toy there. There's Snowflake. Where's Georgie? Georgie, where are you? Georgie's in there somewhere. Oh, Fina just went for the woody. Oh, there's Snowflake. He's going down to eat. And let's see if we can find Georgie. Here, I'm going around the cage. I'm still looking for Georgie. Oh, here's Georgie. He's kind of behind Snowflake now. There's Georgie in the back corner. A little squabbling. Snowflake playing with the... Snowflake over there with the dish. There's Snowball. There's Fina. I'm still looking for Georgie. Georgie's a shy little one. There's Georgie sitting there in the back. And there's Gilly over on the right. Let's see, where are the sweethearts again? So we can get a better shot of Georgie. Get a better sunlight on George. Here's Gilly. I don't know, he's got a little spot on his forehead. Here comes Snowflake. Here goes Gilly. There's George. That's George over there. See, George is the old man. The big ring around his eye. Hi, Georgie. See his head through the ring. And there they all are. That's Georgie and Gilly. That's Fina over there playing with the woody. And there's Snowflake going to eat. And where's Snowball? Oh, where's Snowball? Snowball's way up on top. There's Snowball. There's Snowflake. You see Snowball in the back playing with the woody toy. There's Snowball in the back. And Snowflake up on top now. There's Fina going for the woody. Up, there goes Snowball. There's Snowflake. There's the two boys. Snowflake is the one with the spots on his wings, and Snowball's the mostly white one. There's Snowball up there. They both came from Feathered Friends of Michigan. And that's Gilly. His full name was Guillermo. He came from Home Again Avian Rescue. He loves that little preening toy ring. And yes, that's a big stretch over there. That's George. George is my old man. George came from Ohio. He's been with me for 3 years. He came with Pearl, and Pearl passed away. And Gilly, there's Gilly again, and Fina. Her name was Josefina. She also came from Home Again Avian Rescue, originally from the Dearborn Animal Shelter. Oh, George likes that ring also. Look at those two boys. They're having fun.